Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to do a mean facial expression, and this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. If you want to look mean and you want to have a mean facial expression, this is the video for you. It is super easy to do. So we're going to start off with the eye area up here, okay? So what you want to do is you want to get your, I'll start off actually by telling you what you don't want to do. You don't want to have wide eyes like this and open your eyes up like that. You don't want to do that. Now I'll tell you what you want to do. What you want to do is essentially you want to bring your eyes closer together and just give yourself a small squint. So just squint ever so slightly, okay? You see I'm giving myself a small squint. Now for your eyebrows, okay? Bring your eyebrows down a little bit ever so slightly. So I'll take my glasses off. This is how my eyes look regularly, okay? And if I want to look mean, I'm going to get a small squint like that. And then my eyebrows are just going to come down a bit, just like that. Now moving on to the mouth, okay? For the mouth, you want to keep your lips neutral and straight. Just like that. No grin, no frown. Like don't smile at all or don't smirk, don't frown, don't put your lips in any position. Just keep them neutral. Just nice and straight across. Okay? Then what you want to do is you want to take your teeth and just make them touch. Don't necessarily clench your jaws. Don't clench your jaw. You only have one. It's not jaws, it's your jaw. I apologize. I misspoke. So don't clench your jaw and don't clench your teeth together, okay? You just want to make your teeth touch. If you clench your jaw, you're going to look angry, right? And that's okay, but we're trying to look mean. So essentially, you want to just get your teeth and make them touch. Okay, so for the eyes, you squint a little bit. For the eyebrows, you bring them down just a little bit. The mouth, or the lips, I should say, the lips stay neutral, straight across, and your teeth touch, okay? And once you've done that, all you have to do is stare. Just stare, and you're gonna look mean. You can look around, but don't look all jolly and hop around, because then you're not gonna look mean. You gotta stare. So even if you look to the side, stare. Stare over there. Stare over there. You gotta stare, okay? So when you bring it all together, it's gonna look something like this, okay? So I'm gonna take my eyes, slight squint, okay? My eyebrows, bring them down a bit, okay? Lips, neutral. Teeth are gonna touch. And now I'm gonna stare with that facial expression. I look pretty mean. I look pretty mean, if I do say so myself. That's a mean look. I look mean, but I'm not. I'm not mean at all. But I do look mean, okay? When I do that. And that's how you create that facial expression. Really, really easy to do. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I've got nothing else to say, and with nothing else to say, we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.